Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm going to be doing another LEGO Polybag build-along. And for this one, it's going to be set 30274, the ATDP. And I think this is from Rebels. Anyway, while I'm thinking about it, if you enjoyed this kind of video and you like these LEGO build-alongs, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel, because my plan is to do these one a day for the foreseeable future. So just hit the subscribe button and make sure you click on the little bell to get the notifications, and hopefully you will enjoy these. Also, while I'm thinking about it, in the description I have a link to Amazon if you want to find this set, and also there's a link to Bricklink for locating this particular set, and I have a link to Brickset where you can find information about the set itself and the pieces and that kind of thing. Alright, so let's tackle this thing and take a look. So it starts off, as so many of these do, with a 2x4, and then a translucent red 1x2, and one of these, and I bet that's where legs are going to attach later on, and two of these facing backwards, or forwards maybe. Yeah, make sure I'm putting the right piece on. Alright, so they've got those. Now next, 1x4 goes in here, and this piece that's super weird. Wonder, I feel like that's an awful lot of effort to get vaguely red. Maybe that's supposed to be the heat of the engine or something? I don't know. Tell you what though, I admire that level of detail. So there's a translucent red piece under that black piece that you can see just barely through the two holes, that's covered by this grill. Alright, good job them. That's kind of exciting. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we need the 3x2. Goes on top right there. And then one of the 1x2 cheese wedge things. And another one goes here. That's those two. And now we need this, and these go on the edges. So one goes here, if I can get hold of it. One goes here, and one goes over here. So that's that taken care of. And then up here we add the 2x2 dishes, like so, and a yellow piece. I missed that yellow piece. Alright, the yellow piece goes there, and then we put this here, and this here, like so, and then we put the, and then we're going to put one of these on top of that one right here. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is this. I feel like we need more than one of this. Like we're going to come back and do the second one. But, alright. So, this goes in here. That snaps in. And this one is facing inward. Like so. And this goes here. And this attaches right there. Alright. So we got this. This matches that. Oh, this is what made the gun. I was trying to figure out what that was. Alright, so this is the gun. And so next, we clip this in here. And then this clips here. Alright. So now, get this. Ah, thought I was missing a piece. Get this. And that. And we put one of these right here. Like so. And then we need one of the pieces with the studs on the opposing sides. And this. Like so. And this goes on top. Like that. It's actually starting to take shape, isn't it? And we're looking at this thing. Alright. Now we need to... Alright. So we got a 3x2. And we're going to add one of these things to it. And... Alright. Make sure I'm lining all this stuff up right. So, put this here. And then we flip it over. And put a... Alright. So this... Make sure this is, I'm doing this right. So if we flip this over, it's like this. And so I need this one. So this one goes here, like so. And then the 1x3 goes right here, like this. And then another 1x3 goes here. So we're looking at like this, right? Y'all can see that, alright? And then this attaches right here. Alright, that looks pretty good so far. What do you think? So we got that. That's step 10. And then we just do the other side. So again, that, and put a vent right there. And we're going to grab like so. And then we flip it over. So this is facing this way. And this is facing up. 1x3 and 1x3 here and here, like so, and attach this to the other side. Alright, that looks pretty good so far, doesn't it? Alright, so this is what we got so far. We're sitting at that. And a 12. Alright, we gotta make 2 feet. Okay, so 1x3 and a 1x3, and then some cheese wedges to put on the feet. Cheese wedge number 1. Oops, I didn't get it on there. Cheese wedge number 1. And number 2. And that's those 2. And that's that one. And then, since we got to do 2 of these, this is the second one. And this one. Alright, so we got that. And then we're going to have the feet like this. And we need that one. So it goes in like this in here. And then this attaches to the front to give it like a little stepping thing. And this goes in the middle again. And then on the front. So we got that. And then, alright. So what we need to do is take one of these and one of these. Like so. And oops, almost lost a piece there. One of these and one of these again. So we stick these together like so. And we do that twice, obviously. I didn't think about it at the time, but I guess I gotta do it 4 times. And here and here. Okay. So there's that. And they snap together thusly. And they attach to the foot. Like so. And then we attach them to the walker. Yeah, that's the right way. The foot's facing the right way. I was like, did I put his leg on backwards? Alright. And then these. So we got to bend them down and then forward a little bit. Bend this forward a little bit. Bend this back. So this has to go much more forward. And then the feet rotate back. Yeah. Not bad looking. It's kind of a cool little Polybag mini, or Polybag set. And I mean, it stands up. So that's something. Anyway, Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if there are any polybags or sets that you'd like me to take a look at, you can let me know down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.